Hello, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. Today is Monday. Yeah, I've been kind of lazy today. Um, yeah, you know, I had that game going on last night. Yeah. Now, let me tell you, after the game, of course, the French Quarter just went buck wild, but no, you would not have found this girl in the French Quarter. No. But what I did do, I was at some friend's house, and yeah, it was great. We had a wonderful time. But I just wanted to give you all an update of what's to come here on the New Orleans Gardeners channel. Yeah? But it is a beautiful day. It didn't start out that way. No, it started out real gloomy. As a matter of fact, it was foggy early this morning. But just like many things in life, may start off all foggy and gloomy. But before you know it, the sun comes out. It does all the time. Yeah, just hang in there. All right, so just some of the things you will be seeing here on my channel. One is that I did this really cool video of my friend. She have a huge collection of Bryman bags. Yeah, we had fun doing it. I laughed so much because she's one of those private people, so she didn't want to be seen. She didn't want to be heard. And I don't know a lot about these bags, so I'm talking about the bag, and she go, uh-uh. So it was a really cool video, but I'm gonna see if I can, what I can do to edit her out, and yeah, it's a lot of work, but I'm gonna see what I can do with it. But she has so many beautiful bags, so many. But anyway, so that's one video you should be looking for. Another one is that Jada and I, we have a little Dollar Tree haul coming up. Yeah, we did that, Jada and I. And then on Thursday, this is when I'm gonna upload this video. I have been challenged by my friend Ryan over there in the Little Dirt Never Hurts. Yeah, my buddy. Yeah, I love him so much. He's funny, and he's an awesome gardener, and I love his family. It's just beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, I just watched a video of his wife tasting a jalapeno pepper. No, we ain't gonna get into it, though, but Ryan always find himself into something. But anyway, he have challenged me to a karaoke in the kitchen. So it's cooking and singing, and yeah, I do it all the time. So this time, I'm gonna share it with you all. And I was just thinking about, okay, what song to sing? But I sing all kinds of songs. I love all kinds of music. Just depends on the mood I'm in. So we'll see. We'll see. Will it be a little jazz? Will it be a little gospel? Maybe a little New Orleans bounce. New Orleans second line, a little fifth wall weaving. Yeah, who knows? We'll see. But anyway, it's gonna be fun. Fun. I can't wait. I can't wait. So that will be Thursday for sure. So Ryan, look out for that one for Thursday. All right, guys. I just wanted to let you all know of some of the things to look for here. Oh, I will be cooking the melitons. Yes, I will be cooking those melitons. As a matter of fact, yesterday I went and got some shrimps. Yeah, because shrimp goes into this dish. And my son, he can't wait. He said, you need to just do it now. My son and my oldest grandson, Josh, love stuffed melitons. And that's the way I'm going to prepare it. But anyway, guys, I hope your Monday is beautiful. It's Monday? It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. It's Monday. Girl. That's what a little alcohol does to you. It's just gotta freeze your brain cells. You all have a great day. All right, guys. Later, y'all.